Hey guys, I am Yuvraj with my another video of geography, which is types of volcanoes. So let's get started. There are mainly three types of volcanoes. First is active volcanoes. Volcanoes which constantly eject lava, gases, ashes, cinder, pumice, etc. are known as active volcanoes. There are about 600 active volcanoes in the world. Most of them are being in the Pacific Ocean around the Ring of Fire. This is a photograph of Mount Stromboli, which is a type of active volcano. Mount St. Helens of USA, Stromboli and Mount Etna of Mediterranean Sea, and Pinatubo of Philippines are some of the examples of active volcanoes. You can see this area with dark color. This area is known as Ring of Fire. Most of active volcanoes are present here. Next is dormant volcanoes. A volcano which, though not extinct, has not been known to erupt within the historic period is known as dormant volcano. This is a photograph of Kilimanjaro, which is a type of dormant volcano. Kilimanjaro of Tanzania, Fujiyama of Japan, and Mount Edziza of Canada are best examples of dormant volcanoes. Now the last one is extinct volcano. A volcano that functions in the distant geological past and the remains of which occur in an area where there is no longer any active volcanicity is known as extinct volcano. This is a photograph of Chimborazo, which is a type of extinct volcano. Chimborazo of Ecuador, Mount Kulal of Kenya are some of the best examples of extinct volcanoes. Now I am going to tell you some interesting fact about volcanoes. The largest volcano of our solar system is Olympus Mons of Mars. Venus has highest number of volcanoes, that is 1600. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.